this is Lady Boulay, and I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your thumbs up, for your comments, and thank you for sharing the videos. Thank you for all you do to support the channel. And yes, we are commanded to love one another, whether we want to or not, or whether we agree with each other or not. Well, one of our favorite retailers is selling misleading Black History kits. Target, which is a very popular retailer, department store, decided it was going to cash in on Black History Month by selling Black History kits. The only problem is they don't know who the Black History people are. So this is from the Wall Street Journal. Target pulls magnet kit, Misidentifying Black Leaders. Target has removed a magnetic kit featuring civil rights figures from its shelves after a history teacher spotted several errors and made a now viral TikTok about them. Las Vegas high school teacher Tiara Espy said she realized three major Black figures in U.S. history, Carter G. Woodson, W.E.B. Du Bois, and Booker T. Washington, were misidentified in the product as soon as she opened it. Now this is ridiculous. Target is trying to sell something to Black people without getting some qualified Black consultants to verify and double check their product. This is ridiculous. It's really an embarrassment to Target and whoever the company is. I said Black people might pick up those kits, but other people might also pick up those kits trying to learn something about Black history, and they will be learning the wrong thing. So Target, do better. So for anybody who needs to know, this is Booker T. Washington, founder of Tuskegee University. This is Dr. W.E.B. Du Bois. He was a sociologist, a socialist, a historian, a Pan-Africanist, and a civil rights activist. This is Dr. Carter G. Woodson. He was a historian, author, journalist, and the founder of the Association for the Study of African American Life and History, the founder of Negro History Week. That's what we used to call it, and it evolved into Black History Month. But Dr. Carter is the founder of the teaching of African American history. I would be remiss if I didn't add this little tidbit. Booker T. Washington and Dr. Du Bois were contemporaries. They lived at the same time. They both lived during the after slavery days, and they both wanted to see the Black race progress and advance. But they had different ideas and different approaches as to how that should be done. Booker T. Washington believed in taking a very conservative Republican approach to things, and W.E.B. Du Bois believed in taking more of a libertarian approach to things. So it's always been a debate in academia about whose side you were on, Booker T. Washington's or W.E.B. Du Bois's. Minneapolis-based Target didn't say how long the activity had been for sale, but said it was no longer available in its store or via its website. We've also ensured the product's publisher is aware of the errors, the company said. See, they're getting the heat off of them like, we didn't do this. There's another company involved. Epsi said she bought the Civil Rights Magnetic Learning activity about a week ago, thinking it might be fun for her two young children during Black History Month, which began February 1st. Her video, posted Tuesday, included side-by-side comparisons with historical photos of Woodson, Du Bois, and Washington to show how the learning activity confused the men's names. It's really unfair for them to be trying to make money off Black History Month, but lowballing Black people. They should have hired Black historians to be consultants on this product. to make sure they had gotten it historically correct. Do better, Target. These need to be pulled off the shelves immediately, Epsy said in her TikTok video, which has been viewed more than 1 million times. I get it, mistakes happen, but this needs to be corrected ASAP. The first-year teacher said in an interview that she decided to make a TikTok video and share it in an effort to get the errors corrected, but never imagined it would get such attention. And good for her. Good for her. I'm just glad that there are black people out there that are astute enough and observant enough to pick up on these kinds of things, bring it to the public's attention in an embarrassing way. That way, they will make sure they don't let something get out like that again about black history. You know, some people actually pay attention to things like this. The learning activity in SP's video has a Benden label on it. The Ohio-based company, which describes itself as a leading producer of coloring and activity books, didn't respond to a request for comment. SP says she hasn't heard from Target or Benden, but she has gotten a lot of support from social media and her high school students. They were really happy about it, said SP. It's hard to get people to care about history, so this has been amazing. This article was written by Ginger Adams Otis. Well, I think it's kind of interesting. What this tells us is that black history has made it to mainstream, and now, as always, they're trying to capitalize monetarily on blackness. But they need to get it right. They need to get it right. Okay, y'all, thank you for listening. Let me know what you think about this mix-up at Target. Subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video, and as always, have a great day.